Hey, this is Day 26, and we dedicate this song to Rachel Davis. Rachel, one day we'll take you to prom. We didn't do it this year, that was wrong. Next year we promise we'll pick you up and take you out. We're sorry that we didn't pick you up in the limo. Couldn't afford it, we're stuck in limbo. But we play our instruments and make you a song, and that's the only thing we do right. Nothing is wrong. 'Cause Rachel, we're so sorry. We're all the way up in Iowa, and we're a long way away from you and stuff. So we're sorry we couldn't take you to prom.